To create a pitch, click Pitches. Click Create Pitch. Click in the Name field. Enter a name for this pitch. Click in the Description field. Enter a description for this pitch. A pitch can be made using a pitch map or even without using one. In this demo, we will not use a pitch map, so we will not toggle the Use a Pitch Map button. Note that a pitch can be made a model pitch. A model pitch is like a template and cannot by itself be sent to prospects. They are only used to create other pitches. In this demo, we do not make this a model pitch. Click Next. You are now in the pitch creation stage. All files we have uploaded are now available to create the pitch. Files can be filtered by type or by folders. This makes it easy to find files quickly. In the bottom panel, you create the pitch by placing files into containers. One such container is already provided. You can add more by clicking the plus button. The pitch is strung together using several files placed into such containers. These files then become elements of the pitch. At this moment, only one container is available. Let us fill the first element of the pitch here. Drag a file into the first container. You can also create a personalized audio, video, or text message by clicking the Context Bridge button. Click the plus button to add another container. Drag the second element into this container. Continue the process by adding more containers and filling them with elements of the pitch. You can even add elements within the flow. Click a plus button in the middle of the flow to add a container. You can also record audio, video, or add text to any container. Once all elements are in place, click Next. You can add other resources which will serve as supporting documents. These will not appear in your pitch flow, but the customer can access them for viewing. Technical specifications, price lists, engineering drawings, and floor plans are examples of support documents, since these need not be a part of your main pitch but are necessary to give the customer the whole picture. While adding resources, you will have to store them under folders. Click the Folder field. You can create a new folder by typing a new name and clicking plus, or you can choose an existing folder from the drop-down. In this demo, we select a folder. From the Files repository, select a folder. Drag a file into the drop area to add it to resources. You may keep adding more resources under appropriate folders. Once done, click Next. You can take feedback from the client through a discovery form. This discovery form appears at the end of the sales pitch. These questionnaires are made separately and stored on the system. To complete the pitch, you simply add a pre-made discovery form. Click and choose a form. You see a preview. If you wish to change to another form, simply select another. The last form selected is added to the pitch. Click Done. You can preview the pitch by clicking the Preview button. The preview opens in a new tab. To finish the pitch creation process, click Finish and save.